Welcome everybody back to the channel. So today I actually made a change to the car. It was a change I wasn't really planning on doing, but I decided to say what the hell, and because this was something I originally wanted to do, but then the other part came in and decided, let's just try this. But this is something I originally wanted to do, and I actually found it locally. Great deal. Just sometimes you find them deals that you just can't say no to, and it was something I just originally wanted, and I said screw it, let's do it. But before I do it, I'll show you guys, you'll have an idea what I did. If you notice what's right there. Oh, hold on, let me get my camera right there. You go. If you notice what's right there, yeah, I changed the wing on it. Again, this is wing, I've had this car years. This is wing number 3. I had one of the little lip wings originally. Then I went with the heritage style wing, which I like the wing, and I'm really happy with the way this wing, this Extreme Online Store wing was. It's an awesome shape. If anybody wants it, it's for sale. So I'll post my link, and you can hit me up on Instagram or something. But this thing is in awesome shape, and it's held up fine. It's just, I just wanted this style wing originally. So let me just show y'all what we working with, because woo, some people might not like it, but some people will. It's a little tall. I don't know if it's taller, it's just a little bigger. So here we are, boys. We are looking at the A90 Shop Delta Wing, and I freaking love it. I was wanting this wing. If anybody knows what the Varus wing is, it's similar to the Varus wing, but the Varus wing is like $2,500, and I cannot ever see myself dropping $2,500 for a wing. That's just, I mean, unless this YouTube thing really pans out, I can't see myself ever dropping that kind of money for a wing. It's just, it's not in me. But guys, this thing is so freaking nice. I mean, everything's carbon. The mount's carbon, the whatever other piece of the mount's carbon. The whole clearly the whole wing is carbon. It's got good all stainless steel hardware, which I'm probably gonna switch out the hardware to black stainless. I think it'll look better. But overall, guys, this thing is freaking nice as hell. And the car's actually a little dirty right now, but the weather's been kind of crappy today, so this thing, I mean, awesome, guys. This thing is awesome, super sweet. I was able to, like I said, I was able to find it locally, and I was like, you know, it's actually a guy I knew, and I thought about it. He had posted it for a while, and I thought about it. I finally said, let me ask him, see if he would cut me a good deal, and he actually did, and it was too good of a deal to pass on it. And I see, I feel like on camera it looks bigger than what it is. It's really not that big. It's really not that much taller than the heritage wing. And so people say, oh, it's a big wing. It's really not that big. But I think in person it looks better than on camera. But I think it looks awesome. I think it gives a side profile of the car. It looks so good. You see? Yeah, that'd be so good. Yeah, I'm really happy with the way it turned out, and I think I'm not changing that. I'm not putting another wing on this car. I think this is where we're staying. This is where we're at, and really happy with it. So let me know what you guys think on this new wing. This is the A90 Shop Delta Wing. That's what it's called, and I like it. Like I said, the Varus wing it's a similar. I think the Varus wing comes out a little more. It's a little more pointy, and it comes out a little more here at the ends. But overall, it's very similar styled. But it's just, man, $2,500 for a wing. I don't know if I got that in me. I mean, this one's not. This one I think is like close to $1,600 new from A90 Shop. But like I paid about half of that, just so you know. So yeah, it was too good of a deal to pass on. So also, I wanted to show you guys a quick thing I did to this car. Any Supra owners watching this video, this is something that you should do. because if you've owned the Supra for a while, you know the sound system. The sound system isn't the greatest. It's not. Put this thing up all the way up. The sound system isn't the greatest, and that GTI right there has a Fender audio system, and that GTI has a better sound system than this $50-some thousand car. And I don't know who picked the JBL sound system, which it's not a horrible sound system, but it just didn't have any ass behind it, no bass, and it needed a decent bass. And clearly we figured out that, so watching some videos, watching some, you can make it have better sound, because this box back here, if you see it, it has no I'm not gonna take it apart right now, but behind it, there was no, inside there's no insulation. So what you do is you add insulation to into each speaker. Honestly guys, you could go to freaking like Joann's Fabrics and you could buy the stuff they use to make quilts, and it's basically the same stuff, and you stuff it in there. There's little slits behind here, and you stuff it in there, and you stuff it in here, and you put some foam on there's a video I use, I'll link it, and you put some 2-inch dense foam right by in the corners, one in the middle, because there's some, like, I don't know, there's some metal pieces right there that would rattle, and that clears up the rattling. And you drill out some ports to actually let the bass breathe. So you drill out some ports. Some guys do ports, like they actually put a porthole and with a tube. I decided just to put a little like speaker face coverings, and I think it just looks better, but it does the same job. Well guys, that makes a massive difference with your bass on these cars, because the bass is kind of whack on this expensive car, and the sound system was subpar at best. Like I said, the Fender audio, that's probably one of the best audio systems I've had in any car from the factory. It has good bass, clear, just great system. And the thing is, Volkswagen's not even putting it on the, now I think they went with the Harman Kardon, and a lot of people complain it's not as good as the Fender. But yeah, so I would have showed you guys the process of doing it, but I don't know, I kind of did it in the middle of the day, and it wasn't that big of it's honestly not that hard to do. I'll link the guy's video that did it. It's not a hard job to do. It probably took me an hour to do. All you really need is some foam, and I'll link all the stuff that you could buy from either Amazon or go to Joann's Fabrics. That's what I went to Joann's Fabrics. I'm like the only dude in there, and just being some old ladies, and I just went in there and got what I needed and had it done. I went at lunchtime, got and had it done by, like, I don't know, it took me an hour. By 1 o'clock, 1:30, I was done with it. So, but yeah guys, really happy with the way this thing is right now. I'm really happy with the looks of this car. I know I changed a lot of stuff, and but I'm happy with the wheels, I'm happy with the roof, with the way this car has turned out. It's really nice, guys. So I'm actually gonna go to my first Supra meet tomorrow. I haven't really gone to the Supra meet, so we'll see. We'll check it out. See, that guy almost broke the car here at. But anyways guys, let me know what you guys think on the new wing, the new Delta A90 shop Delta wing. That's what it is, if anybody wants to know what it is. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think on the wing, on the speaker mod. If you guys want a more detailed video on it, I could take it apart and show you guys, but it's really not hard to do, and there's 2 or 3 videos out there to do it. So I don't feel like making videos that people already did. So we'll see y'all later. Y'all have a nice day. Bye.